Oh God, one person down.
Today we're heading to the Twin River Waterfall, where I was guided by Barefoottobago. The group was formed by Kyle and other members. They all helped in making this journey a lot easier and a fun experience for all the members. This hike was all in one, challenging, tiring, and exciting. It was all worth it in the end, and I met a lot of wonderful people while on this trip.
Oh, beautiful it is. Kill my. My channel. So right now I'm walking through the trail. This video is going to be about me going on this trail with this group to Twin Rivers, and right now I'm walking through the trail right now, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
This is Torian. You would be seeing him guiding us through the first half of this video.
Oh wow, that's a good shot right there. That looks so good. What's your name? Oh, Torian. Okay, I was looking for it. One person down. At least I'm gonna be able to wash out the mud.
Oh, yeah, that's what you mean.
Oh, yeah.
No, let's switch. Yeah, switch.
Okay.
We going to support.
You want a big one too?
Yeah. Can I get a big one?
Oh, it's you got the big one?
Thank you, baby, right?
Thank you.
You could handle smaller because you're tiny.
Yeah.
No, it's smaller and I are tiny, you're gonna feel like bigger. You have to know your match.
Wow. Did you go treat to her? No, she passed it already. She passed already? Yeah.
See the bird? Okay, just don't touch any tree. Somebody slip and fall again. This is intense. Nobody hold on to any tree because like every tree will be dangerous. I'm fucking tired. My first hike and this is how it goes. Yes. It's a good thing I get this stick. When you reach on the top, you can take a little break.
The hike had a lot of uphill terrain, but Belle, Stefan, and Kerry were really helpful in these areas right here.
Outside. You're looking good. Real good.
It's your girl Shiv Life on day 81 of this baggy pants and string bikini journey. I am with Barefoot and an amazing crew, and we are trekking through the Hillsborough Dam, making our way to the Twin River Waterfall.
Quicker? Oh, I see.
Join us on this journey.
Please tell me we almost reached the waterfall.
Booty hole.
Cootie? No, that's ants. Oh gosh, I can finally hear it, the waterfall.
Yeah.
Please tell me that's what I hear on that wind.
River.
Oh.
Yeah, but we. Hello, good morning. No calls, no. Hello?
Hike.
Yeah, I can hear you. On a hike. I don't even know who I'm talking to. Yeah, whoever this is, on a hike.
Surprised it could even get signal here. Oh, I just see something. That's so many times I almost fall. Huh? Yep. Huh, we nowhere close to this waterfall. Me neither.
This is a real joke, you're trying too hard. I'm gonna be the new song for me. Hey, you're trying too hard. Ooh. Damn. That means that they are really healing me. Let me tell you something, right? Education time, listen up guys. If the tree is covered in pickers,
Yeah.
it's because of the healing properties. It has something good in it. And the tree is trying to protect its essence and its goodness.
Okay.
That's like unto a woman with the good something.
Oh my God.
That's very hard to reach with all the rules. It's because she has something
Use a
to
little bit in seasoning, no? Come on. Just always use a little bit in seasoning, green seasoning.
yeah.
Yeah.
I love the scent of this. This is scent of healing.
I like it for stew chicken.
Chicken, yeah, chicken. Like 1 or 2 leaves.
You might have a slight barbecue like green.
Yeah, but yeah, smoke
Yeah.
style, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Barbecue.
It's not brick.
Very much better.
Yep. I was so happy for the little flat ground, and now we have to go back on the hills, down the hill, on the river, on the bank, on the river, on the bank.
Down the hill.
They're gonna get the rope?
Pull out the rope.
You're gonna tie it here? Or?
Up it down there.
Oh. So we're pulling out the ropes now.
fall.
That's the rope there, guys.
Did not fall.
And then we go down so. So I have to pull it. Have to pull away this phone here.
Sound like you have experience in that.
No, that's one of my fantasies.
See, so. You got it, you got it. You gotta go with confidence. Be confident. Yeah. You got this, you guys. You're right there. Look how easy that is. I can't anything shake. I want to know what behind the anything shake. I'm like, wait, what?
Take all your time. Walk like I will running like me.
The Twin River originates from Tobago Main Reserve. It is influenced by the Great River and the Goldbrook River, which is on the east coast between the village of Goodwood and Pembroke, where they meet together, hence why its name Twin River.
You should have never come between me and my cousin. If you want to lose weight,
This is it, this is it. Is it? No? Yeah! Wow! Like the waterfall decorated itself. Look at them grass growing up there. Oh, look, hunters. Hi. Good day. Hunters. Oh my god, what's that? Oh. Right, you finally reach. Food. But we're just relaxing right now.
Before, I thought I've seen all the things that Tobago has to offer after living here for so long, but there's a lot of gems hidden away deep in the forest of Tobago, and I'm going to find it.
Walking out of the trail here, we finished at the waterfall and I met this new friend. Hi, introduce yourselves.
I'm Petra.
Yes. It was real fun and I will do this again. Barefoottobago, make sure and search them up on Instagram and register for the next trip.
If you made it this far without skipping through, thanks for all the support, and please remember to subscribe and like for more.